Just about 9:23. It's a trial we've been waiting for over a year for, and today it finally gets underway. The murder trial of Andre McDonald.
We have a preview out now of that trial as part of our open court special on KSAT.com. But joining us this morning is our court reporter, Erica Hernandez, to talk more about the case. Good morning, Erica.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. All right, tell us a little bit about the special and what is covered in it.
Yeah, so we take you back to the beginning of this case when it first started back in 2019 when Andre McDonald disappeared. So we start from there, kind of give you a timeline of her disappearance to when her body was found, the arrest of Andre, and then what's leading up to the trial. Kind of give you that whole backstory before we actually get into trial, because it has been a few years. This may need some refreshing for some of those, but it was a high-profile case that we covered very extensively when it happened.
Speaking of that, initially we thought this was going to go to trial back in 2021. What was the delay?
So the first delay in 2021 was that the prosecutors had just gotten some more evidence that they hadn't seen yet from the sheriff's office, and not just a little bit, a large amount that had just kind of fell on their laps a week before jury was supposed to be selected. So they asked for a continuance and they got it, and then we kind of stalled. We didn't have any kind of motions filed, anything happened until October last year when finally another motion was filed to see where this case was going. Mind you, Andre McDonald had gotten out on bond by then because his bond had been lowered. So in October, DA is saying, hey, we can go to trial, but we need at least 3 months, a couple months, to get all of the witnesses together, because they're all from, a lot of them are from out of state, and it takes a lot of time to put everybody together at a certain time. So that's when the January 17th date was set, and that's where we're at right now.
This is one of the trials that you were saying was going to be a biggie here in the new year. Jury selection starts today. What can we expect going forward? So
I don't anticipate jury selection to take more than a day or a day or two. Sometimes it does, but it's not a capital murder case. It's just a first-degree murder case. So it's not, there's not as many people being called in. After that, we don't know exactly when testimony will start. It could start tomorrow morning, it could start Friday, it could start Monday. I was told some pre-trial motions were going to be talked about before, so that just depends on how long those kind of get ironed out between the attorneys and the judge before we actually see a jury come in and opening statements to begin. We will be there throughout the week to make sure we're there. We will be live. We will be live streaming this gavel to gavel like we have before to make sure that all those interested in this case can hear it from the beginning to the end.
And what about the open court special? Where can people go to watch it?
Yeah, you can watch it right now on KSAT.com, KSAT Plus, and our KSAT YouTube channel. I think we're doing a YouTube live of it later this evening as well after the 6 o'clock news.
Erica, thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Good to see you. Have a good week. Thank you.
Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.